Hi guys, my name is Siddharth Jain. I am an associate with Lexus and Company. So today we will discuss about the fundamental rights. Fundamental rights is one of the most important topics in Indian political subject. In this article, we will discuss about the part 3 of the Indian Constitution, which deals with fundamental rights and the basic human rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India. The six fundamental rights include right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and education right, and right to constitutional remedy. Originally, right to property was also included in the fundamental rights. However, by 44th amendment it was deleted from the fundamental rights and is now made legal right in the article 300A of the constitution. The development of fundamental rights in India is heavily inspired by the US Bill of Rights. These rights are included in the constitution because they are considered essential for the development of personality of every individual and to preserve human dignity. Fundamental rights are included in part 3 of the constitution. These rights are called fundamental rights because they are justiciable in nature, allowing person to move the courts for the enforcement if and when they are violated. Features of fundamental rights are these are protected and guaranteed by the constitution. It is absolute in the sense that the parliament can curtail them or put reasonable restriction for a fixed period of time. However, the court has the power to review the reasonability of the restrictions. If fundamental rights are justifiable, the Constitution allows the person to move directly to the Supreme Court for the reinforcement of these fundamental rights as and when they are violated. Article 12 defines Article 12 of the Constitution defines the state government and the parliament, all local authorities and the legislature of the state. Other authorities in India are under the control of government of India. The classification of fundamental rights are Article 14 equality before law, Article 15 prohibition of discrimination, Article 16 equality of opportunity in public employment, Article 17 abolition of untouchability, Article 18 abolition of titles, Article 19 protection of the six fundamental rights, Article 20 protection in respect of conviction of offences. The various freedom of conscience, professional practice and propagation is mentioned in Article 25, freedom to manage religious affairs in 26 respectively. Some right to constitutional remedies are given in Article 32 like habeas corpus, mandamus quo, warrant of prohibition, certiorari. Thank you.